Hello everybody, my name is Craig. Today I want to unbox this Hoover carpet cleaner. Let's take a look. First thing we have is the instruction sheet. Have some coupons, the strap, quick start guide. Here's a canister, here's the liner, here's the hose with the bag. That will attach the cleaner itself. Here's the bag, it's got a hanger hook for drying. Inside are a couple of brushes. For the handle. Here's the handle itself with a quick start guide. There's some deep clean shampoo to get you started. There's the cleaner. Looks like a great system. Gonna work really good. Thanks for watching.